if you're between 50 and 85 and your vision is slowly slipping away.
Blurry words, dry eyes, tiredness even after resting.
Listen carefully.
What if I told you there's a natural remedy using just castor oil and baking soda that people are using to reverse vision issues in just 7 days?
No expensive eye drops, no risky surgery, just 2 ingredients from your kitchen, and the results are shocking. Doctors won't tell you this, but thousands of people over 50 are trying it and seeing clearly again. Want to know how?
Let me show you.
If you're between the ages of 50 and 85 and you've been struggling with vision problems, whether it's blurred vision, dry eyes, or even difficulty reading or driving at night, this may be the most important thing you hear today. You've probably been told that fading eyesight is just part of aging. You've been given stronger glasses, nor eye drops, or maybe even recommended for surgery.
But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural remedy using just 2 ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen, and it might begin improving your vision in just 7 days?
Sounds unbelievable. That's what most people think, until they try it for themselves. Castor oil and baking soda, that's it.
2 humble, inexpensive ingredients, but when combined the right way and used properly, many people have reported surprising improvements in their vision, reduction in eye strain, and overall comfort in their eyes.
We're not talking about some random internet myth. We're talking about a traditional home remedy that's starting to get noticed again, because of how effective it seems to be, especially for people over 50. Let me paint a picture for you.
Imagine waking up in the morning and not needing to search for your glasses. Imagine reading the newspaper, your favorite books, or scrolling through your phone without squinting. Imagine driving in the evening and actually seeing the road clearly without that foggy, blurry feeling.
Imagine your eyes feeling fresh, not dry or itchy or tired all the time. This is what many people are saying they experience after just a week of using this remedy.
It all starts with castor oil.
But not just any kind cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil.
This kind is rich in nutrients and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties.
It has been used for centuries to support eye health.
When applied correctly, just 1 drop in each eye before bedtime, it begins to work overnight, moisturizing the eyes, reducing irritation, and supporting the natural healing of the tear ducts and eye tissues.
Unlike chemical-based eye drops, castor oil is gentle, natural, and works with your body, not against it. Now add in baking soda, not in your eye, but around your eye. Just a small pinch of baking soda mixed with a few drops of clean water creates a simple paste.
When applied gently to the skin around your eyes, never inside, it helps to stimulate circulation, detoxify the skin, reduce puffiness, and improve the lymphatic flow around your eyes.
Think of it as a gentle detox and refresh session for your eyes every night. The combination of these 2 actions, nourishing the eyes with castor oil and supporting the surrounding tissues with baking soda, creates a powerful synergy that supports clearer vision, especially for aging eyes. Let's talk about how to use it. At night, wash your face and hands thoroughly. Make sure there is no makeup or lotion on your face.
Lie down or lean your head back.
Carefully apply 1 drop of cold-pressed castor oil in each eye.
Blink a few times, then close your eyes and relax.
It's normal to feel a little blurriness right after it goes away quickly.
Then, take your baking soda paste and lightly apply it to the skin under and around your eyes.
Avoid the eyelids and never touch your eyeball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe gently with a warm cloth. Sleep well and let your eyes heal and rejuvenate overnight. Now, here's what people have said after using this for just 7 days. My eyes felt younger, said one woman in her 60s. I could finally read without straining or needing the big glasses, said a man in his 70s. The burning and dryness I lived with for years, it just went away, shared a woman in her 50s who had tried every eye drop under the sun. Of course, this is not a cure for serious eye diseases, and it's always smart to talk to your doctor if you have glaucoma, cataracts, or other medical conditions. But if your main concern is aging-related vision changes, blurriness, tired eyes, constant need for reading glasses, then this natural method might just surprise you. It's gentle, inexpensive, and easy to try. No appointments, no side effects, and no long waiting lists. Just nature doing what it does best, healing gently over time. And you know what the best part is? You are not only doing something good for your eyes, you are taking back control of your health.
In a world where aging often feels like one long list of limitations, this remedy is about empowerment.
It's about reminding you that your body still wants to heal, still wants to be strong, that still wants to help you enjoy life with clarity and comfort. You just need to give it the right tools. There are so many people today silently suffering with vision issues, thinking it's just part of getting older, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can make a small change today and see real results by next week. What's stopping you? Think about it.
You've already tried glasses, drops, maybe even medications.
What do you have to lose by trying this for 1 week? Nothing. And what do you stand to gain? Clearer vision, fresher eyes, a renewed sense of hope that age does not mean defeat. So tonight, before bed, grab that bottle of castor oil. Grab that pinch of baking soda. Start small, start simple, and most of all start. Because your eyes deserve love, care, and healing, and you deserve to live each day with clarity and confidence. Try it for just 7 days, then look in the mirror and see the difference.